Kaney Grylls here with another YouTube video. There might be a snake. There might be a snake.
It's a gardener snake. It's a massive gardener. Oh, it's moving.
What's up, everybody? It's Kaney Grylls here with another YouTube video. We're fishing. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun. There's Ryan.
Hi.
Look at this water. Got a nice river.
What's up, everybody? It's me. I'm on a big hill and I feel like I'm gonna fall. I got a fish. Fish.
All right.
Look, everybody.
Oh, yeah.
Guys.
Catfish! Catfish!
Guys, we got a catfish. Look at that. Pretty big.
Gotta watch out for that. That'll spike you right there. That's what'll shoot their fingers, their things right into you, and they hurt.
We're going in the rain.
We're fishing. I need a new place to cast.
No! It's running. We're trying to catch more crawfish.
To catch his bait, so let's see how we can find him.
I got a minnow!
Did you? Yeah, he did. It's a small minnow.
Oh, it's a minnow!
Here you go. I got a crawfish as my bait.
This? I think he's about to find it. I don't know. There's a crawfish like being under the shade. Can I let this guy go? Because
I mean, do you want to use him as bait?
we just caught a big crawfish underneath a rock. Gotta go to big fishing.
Watch on the top. That's what spikes you. That's a guy.
Guys, we caught a big fish.
He's running away.
That's
with
good.
it.
That's how you want it.
I can't.
Reel it. Keep going. You got it, man. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Oh my God! Is he really that big?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, keep going. Keep going. Good boy.
Oh my God.
Keep going. Keep going.
I don't want him to snap.
No, don't. He won't. That's why there's drag.
Oh my God.
Keep going.
He must be deep down.
Right. Watch out, buddy.
Watch out. Oh my God. Yo, I can't see him yet.
Come on. Bring him in.
Yeah, come on.
Keep this up. Keep this up. You got to keep pressure on his lip. Keep reeling.
Get him. I can't.
Oh wow, he's dragging that out. That's got to be a cat. Big,
Ow. Ow, my hand's starting to hurt.
That's a good fight then.
Come on, he's getting a little tired out.
You need help?
Yeah.
All
I
right.
can't reel. I can't reel. He's way too heavy.
Got a big old fatty daddy. There
Oh,
he is.
oh my God! There's not.
That's a catty. Come on, watch out. Watch out.
Watch
Watch
out!
out. All right, watch out. You're gonna snap the line right.
Yo, get him in! Oh, that's Good job! Oh, he was fighting. Hold it in his mouth.
Guys, I caught this big fish. Let's catch some more.
Guys, I'm going fishing and I'm going to go to catch
Here you go, bring him in.
Bro, I got a worm.
Bring him in.
Let's go, Luca!
Ryan,
Let's go, Luca!
Let's go, Luca.
No!
Last fish of the day, boy.
Oh. Thanks for going fishing with us. High five. We'll see you later.